हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स एंड वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून टू यू ऑल। आज हम नीट यूजी अंडर ग्रेजुएट कोर्सेज़ का जो एंट्रेंस टेस्ट हुआ था 13 सितंबर को, उसका जो है सॉल्यूशन लेके आए हैं। आई होप सो कि ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़फुल रहने वाली है। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। So our first question is, which of the following amine will give the carbamide test? Here we can see four options, in which correct option is first one. Okay. So next question is, an alkene on ozonolysis gives methanol as one of the product. Its structure is which of the following is the structure? We have to identify this. So here we can see that option C is correct. Next is match of the following question, in which we match the correct one with the other. So here we can see first one is the correct option. Next one, the freezing point depression constant Kf of benzene is 5.12 kilo kg/mol inverse. The freezing point depression for the solution of molality 0.078 meter containing a non-electrolyte solution in benzene, round off up to 2 decimal places. We can solve this question, and when we solve this question we will get the result, that is we can see in the C option, that is 0.40 K. Okay, so our next question is, on electrolysis of dilute sulfuric acid using platinum electrode, the product obtained at anode will be, so that will be oxygen gas. Our sixth question is, identify compound X in the following sequence of reaction. So in the X compound is the option which we are showing in the option C, CHCl2. Okay, now move to our seventh question, which one of the following has maximum number of atoms? That is option D, lithium. Next, identify the correct statement from the following. So in which we have to find the correct statement. So I think that option 4 is correct. Pig iron can be molded into variety of shapes. Next question is, that is ninth question, a tertiary butyl carbocation is more stable than a secondary butyl carbocation because of which of the following? So here we will correct the tick the option hyperconjugation. Next is, urea reacts with water to form which will decompose to form B. B when passed through Cu2 plus aqueous deep blue color solution C is formed. What is the formula of C from the following? So option B is correct, CuNH3 and 2 positive. Next one is, a mixture of N2 and argon gases in a cylinder contains 7 gram of N2 and 8 gram of argon. If the total pressure of the mixture of the gases in the cylinder is 27 bar, then the partial pressure of N2 is, then we will take the option 15 bar. Our next question is 12th question. An element has a body center cubic BCC structure with a cell length of 288 picometer. The atomic radius is, so here we will take the option A, root 3 by 4 into 288 picometer. Next is 13th question. The rate constant for a first order reaction is 4.606 into 10 to power minus 3 second minus 2. The time period to reduce 2 gram of reactant to 0.2 gram is, we will take the option C, 500s. 14th question, reaction between acetone and methyl magnesium chloride followed by hydrolysis will give, so it will give tertiary butyl alcohol. Next is 15th question, which one of the following cat of molecule will have zero dipole moment? Here we will take the option D, boron, trifluoride, beryllium. difluoride, carbon dioxide, 1,4-dichlorobenzene. Next is question 16, which is what is the change in oxidation number of carbon in the following reaction. Reaction we can see this. So in this we will choose the option C, -4 to +4. Next is matching question. In this option option B is correct. In the 18th question, which of the one of the following is not correct about carbon monoxide? So here we will go to the option C. The hemoglobin bound to CO is less stable than oxyhemoglobin. Next we will move to 19th question. Measuring zeta potential is useful in determining which property of colloidal solution. Here stability of colloidal particles is the right answer. Next is which one of the following is the correct order of increasing field strength of ligands to form coordination number. Here we will take the option A. Next one is question 21. Elimination reaction on 2-boron pentane to form pent-2-enone is. Then we will take the option A. Next is 22 question. The correct option for free expansion of an ideal gas under adiabatic condition is. Then we will choose the option A. Then identify the incorrect statement. In this we have to find which one is the incorrect statement. So by the analysis we found that option D is correct. It is the incorrect statement. Next, identify the incorrect match. In this we have to find the incorrect match, and by this we find the correct option is option D. Next, 25th question. Reaction between benzaldehyde and acetophenone is the presence of dilute NaOH is known as, then it is known as cross or aldol condensation process. Next is 26th question. Which of the following oxide of sulfur has oxygen-oxygen linkage? So in this H2S2O8 peroxodisulfuric acid. Next is 27th question. HCl has passed through a solution of CaCl2, MgCl2 and NaCl. Which of the following compound as crystalline? So in this only NaCl is the compound crystallized. Anisolon cleavage with Hi gives. In this we will choose the option A because option A is correct. Now we will move to the next question. Identify the correct statements from the following. So in this C and D are correct, both are correct. Next is 30th question. For the reaction 2Cl in the gas form gives Cl2. The correct option is D. Then paper chromatography is an example of, so it is an example of partition chromatography. Next 32 question. Which one of the following alkane cannot be made in good yield by Wood's reaction? So we will choose N-heptane. Next is 33 question. An increase in the concentration of the reactants of a reaction leads to change in, so it will lead to change in collision frequency. Next is 34th question. The number of Faradays F is required to produce 20 gram of calcium from molten CaCl2 atomic gas of calcium 40 gram mole inverse. So we will choose option A, that is 1. Next 35th question. The mixture which shows positive deviation from Rolle's law is ethanol plus acetone. Hydrolysis of sucrose is given by following reaction. In this the correct option is option A. Sucrose on hydrolysis will give alpha D glucose plus beta D fructose. The calculated spin only magnetic moment for chromium 2 plus is 4.90 bm. Next is 39 question. Which one of the following is natural polymer? Then option A is correct. Now we will move to the next question. Which of the following is basic amino acid? That is lysine. Option D is correct. Next 41 question. Which one of the following is cationic detergent? That is cetylmethane ammonium bromide. Next, find out the solubility of NiOH2 in 0.1 mole of NaOH given that the ionic product of NiOH2 is 2 into 10 to power minus 15. In which option is correct? That is 2 into 10 to power minus 13 m. Next is 43 question. Identify a molecule which doesn't exist. That is He2. He2 doesn't exist. Next 44th question. The following metal ion activates many enzymes participate in the oxidation of glucose to produce ATP with Na is responsible for the transmission of nerve signals. That is potassium. Next is 45th question. The number of protons, neutrons and electrons in Lu respectively are, then option A is correct. Now next question. Light with an average flux of 20 Weber per meter square falls on a non-reflecting surface at normal incidence having a surface area 20 cm square. The energy received by the surface during time span of 1 minute is, then option A is correct. Next 47th question. For transition action, which of the one of the following statement is correct? Then option D is correct.